I'm just gonna slide these on, hope that this fits. All right, I've got a prototype here. I haven't opened it yet, so we're gonna take a look. It's for a slide-on belt buckle for the belt. Usually, first prototypes don't work so well, so we're gonna learn together to see what adjustments we need to make, if any. My 3D printer is down, so I ordered from Xometry. Let's take a look. Normally I'd be able to print these in a day, but I was having trouble with my 3D printer, and this does troubleshooting. Ordered from these folks, and it took about 5 days. So I printed these out of nylon, just printed 2 of them as a fit check. So the design is just a little buckle, and we can do these out of metal, and let's see if they fit okay. So here is the look. So it's got slight curve here, and the idea is that it's almost like a spring in that it should fit on. So it has these little grips that should hug the profile of the belt. So let's take a look. So this is a fabric belt, and I'm just gonna slide these on, hope that this fits. Fits. That's kind of nice. That's kind of cool. But yeah. Slides right on like that. So you can kind of place that anywhere. And there's enough grip so that it really doesn't fall off. It's nice and low profile. So if you want that buckle look, maybe we can add this in the future. That's kind of cool. I'll show you what that looks like. I actually have a leather one on right now. Let's see. I'm gonna just slide this on. I know this is the buckleless belt, so it's a little weird to have a buckle, but some of you have asked for a little bling up front. So we wondered what that might look like. So now I notice it on me. So there's curve to the waist, and since we've got that curve in the belt buckle, it actually slides a little easier. So that's something we may want to adjust, just add a little bit more friction. Kind of cool. We can do this out of all sorts of different metals. Cast it, titanium, stainless, any finish. But what do you think? Let me know. Thanks.